this program, we'll be taking a look at some of the flood damage which occurred from Ladysmith in the north to Durban at the coast. We will then trace the damage down the south coast and adjacent interior, and finally from the north of Durban up the north coast and adjacent interior. The town of Ladysmith was extensively flooded. Ladysmith is built on a floodplain and very little can be done to stop flooding of the lower lying areas. A cut-off berm wall was constructed along the river bank, but this to date has done little to stop flooding. Many businesses and shopping centres were extensively flooded and could not trade for weeks. This cyclist was determined to travel by bicycle. Many vehicles were stranded on flooded roads.